Eid-ul-Fitr unveiled. As the crescent moon emerges, signaling the end of Ramadan, Muslims around the world prepare to celebrate Eid-ul-Fitr. This joyous occasion marks the conclusion of a month-long journey of fasting, self-reflection, and spiritual growth. Join us as we delve into the significance, traditions, and festivities that accompany this sacred day. The essence of Eid-ul-Fitr. Eid-ul-Fitr, often referred to as the festival of breaking the fast, holds deep significance in Islam. It is a time of gratitude, forgiveness, and unity within the Muslim community. After a month of abstaining from food, drink, and other physical needs from dawn till dusk, Eid-ul-Fitr serves as a reward for the devotion and discipline exhibited during Ramadan. Traditions and customs. The morning of Eid-ul-Fitr begins with the special Eid prayer, performed in congregation at mosques or designated prayer grounds. This prayer symbolizes thankfulness to Allah for granting the strength to complete the fast and seek forgiveness for any shortcomings. Following the prayer, families gather to exchange heartfelt greetings, embrace one another, and partake in festive meals. Feasting and charity. Central to the celebration of Eid-ul-Fitr is the tradition of feasting with loved ones. Delightful dishes are prepared, ranging from savory meats to sweet treats, symbolizing abundance and generosity. Additionally, Muslims are encouraged to engage in acts of charity, known as Zakatul Fitr, by donating food or money to those in need. This practice ensures that everyone can partake in the joy of Eid-ul-Fitr, regardless of their circumstances. Cultural variations. While the essence of Eid-ul-Fitr remains constant, its celebrations vary across different cultures and regions. From vibrant street festivals in bustling cities to intimate gatherings in rural villages, each community infuses its unique customs and traditions into the festivities. However, the underlying message of love, compassion, and unity remains universal. Eid preparations. In the days leading up to Eid-ul-Fitr, homes are adorned with colorful decorations, and new clothes are purchased or tailored for the occasion. Markets bustle with shoppers selecting gifts and treats for loved ones, creating a festive atmosphere that permeates the community. Spiritual reflection. Beyond the outward celebrations, Eid-ul-Fitr is a time for spiritual reflection and introspection. Muslims use this opportunity to assess their actions during Ramadan, seeking forgiveness for any transgressions and renewing their commitment to living a righteous life in the coming year. The night of Eid. The night preceding Eid-ul-Fitr, known as Laylat al-Jaiza, or the Night of Reward, holds special significance. It is believed that on this night, Allah bestows blessings and mercy upon His followers, amplifying the spiritual significance of the impending celebration. Family bonding. Eid-ul-Fitr is a time for strengthening familial bonds and reconnecting with loved ones. Families come together to share meals, exchange gifts, and create lasting memories, fostering a sense of unity and belonging that transcends generational divides. Community spirit. The spirit of community is palpable during Eid-ul-Fitr, as neighbors open their doors to one another, extending invitations for meals and gatherings. This sense of camaraderie fosters solidarity and mutual support, reinforcing the importance of compassion and empathy in Islam. Eid prayers. The Eid prayer is a central aspect of the day's festivities, with Muslims congregating in mosques or outdoor spaces to offer supplications and seek blessings. The sermon delivered during the Eid prayer often emphasizes themes of gratitude, forgiveness, and social responsibility, resonating deeply with attendees. Charity initiatives. Charity plays a pivotal role in Eid-ul-Fitr celebrations, with many individuals and organizations launching initiatives to support the less fortunate. From food drives to clothing donations, these acts of kindness embody the spirit of generosity and compassion that defines Eid-ul-Fitr. Visiting graves. A somber yet essential tradition observed on Eid-ul-Fitr is visiting the graves of deceased loved ones. Muslims offer prayers and recite verses from the Quran, honoring the memories of those who have passed away and seeking solace in the promise of the afterlife. Exchanging gifts. The exchange of gifts is a cherished custom during Eid-ul-Fitr, symbolizing affection and goodwill among friends and family members. From intricately wrapped presents to heartfelt tokens of appreciation, these gestures strengthen bonds and spread joy throughout the community. Eid cuisine. Eid-ul-Fitr is synonymous with indulgent feasts featuring an array of mouth-watering dishes. From traditional favorites like biryani and kebabs to decadent desserts such as baklava and sheer kurma, the culinary delights of Eid-ul-Fitr reflect the rich diversity of Muslim cuisine. Festivatire, dressing in new or freshly laundered clothes, is a time-honored tradition on Eid-ul-Fitr, symbolizing purity and renewal. Many Muslims choose to wear traditional attire such as the shalwar kameez or abaya, adorned with intricate embroidery and vibrant colors. Joyous atmosphere. The atmosphere on Eid-ul-Fitr is electric, with streets bustling with activity and laughter echoing through homes and gathering spaces. From children playing games to adults engaging in lively conversation, the joyous spirit of Eid-ul-Fitr is contagious. Eid almsgiving. In addition to Zakatul Fitr, many Muslims choose to give voluntary charity, or sadaqah, on Eid-ul-Fitr as a means of seeking blessings and purification. This act of generosity reinforces the importance of empathy and solidarity with those in need. Spiritual renewal. Eid-ul-Fitr heralds a period of spiritual renewal and growth for Muslims, inspiring them to embody the values of compassion, humility, and gratitude in their daily lives. It serves as a reminder of the transformative power of faith and the boundless mercy of Allah. Global unity. Eid-ul-Fitr transcends geographical boundaries, bringing together Muslims from diverse cultures and backgrounds in a shared celebration of faith and community. Whether in bustling metropolises or remote villages, the spirit of Eid-ul-Fitr unites believers in a common bond of love and devotion. Eid-ul-Fitr around the world. While Eid-ul-Fitr is celebrated with fervor in Muslim-majority countries, its observance has also spread to regions with significant Muslim populations worldwide. From the bustling streets of Cairo to the serene landscapes of Indonesia, the diversity of Eid-ul-Fitr celebrations reflects the global reach of Islam. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the celebration of Eid-ul-Fitr. If you enjoyed this exploration of culture and tradition, don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, Eid Mubarak.